You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this word correctly? How do you call somebody who is 90 years old? We'll be looking at more pronunciations that are tricky, so stay tuned to become part of the community. Nonagenarian, Nonagenarian, Nonagenarian. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.